short tutorial here to play with arm variations, arm balances. And I wanted to show you Funky Crow, which is a really fun variation of crow. So I already showed you how to do a normal crow. Funky Crow is slightly different. You're going to start into your tabletop, lowering onto the forearms. So your forearms are shoulder distance apart, and then I'm going to show you here with my left hand. You want to slide your left hand to the back until you find a 90-degree angle here between your shoulder and your wrist. The other arm stay where it was. So when I have this 90-degree angle, I want to tuck my toes under, push my hips high. Walk your feet forward as much as you can, and then you're going to bring your left knee towards the little divot which you just have behind your left elbow. And then you need to shift your weight forward so much so that you could lift your right leg up. And slowly release. So remember, to do this pose, your knee is not onto your triceps, otherwise you'll have way too much weight. It needs to be directly into this little divot. And you'll find it, if I bring my elbow high, there's a little hole that you can find here. So just try it for yourself. That's exactly where you want your knee to be. Why? Because it's way easier than as you're just stacking bones. You'll have elbow on top of the wrist and your knee directly in this alignment. So again, you're using gravity to help yourself instead of fighting against it if your knee was onto your triceps, which would be here. So again, as in a lot of balancing position, it's way more of an alignment than actually a strength practice. Same if you do the other side. Come back onto your forearms. Slide your right hand to the back, finding your 90-degree angle. Tuck your toes. Lift. Walk forward. Find a little divot. And then you cannot lift from here. So remember, shift your weight forward first until you can lift the left leg up. Try to hold it. Whoops, and slowly lower it down. When you're holding a pose like this, any balancing, try to challenge yourself and hold it for 5 breaths at least. It's really a great stamina building. So have fun.